Hey guys, this is the unboxing of the Bandit vxl brushless. A car I've been wanting for a long time, but for some reason it's been hard to find. I finally got my hands on one, and this should be the purple version. So let's see what's inside the box. First, what we have here. Move this around out of the way. We have a transmitter. Traxxas is typical Traxxas link enabled TQI remote. Nothing special there. Step back into the box. We have our spare parts. Quite a bit of spare parts in here actually. We got extra pinion gear. We've got some what looks like some parts for our shocks there, some spacers, foam block for our battery, instruction manual, all the little goodies you get. Little extra goodies. And now what we've all been waiting for, the car itself. Here she is, guys. And this is the purple version. Nice bandit on there. I wasn't prepared for that. But there's actually a band on here. I guess to keep the car from getting damaged when it's in the box. There we go. Cut that off. And we'll get this body clip off here so we can unveil the body here. There's two clips on the body, looks like. One in the front, one in the back. And it goes down there just like that. That lines up. I can get it lined up. Oh, we've got another. Looks like another. Oh, that's just a band I cut and I didn't remove. Okay. Alright guys, let me get this body back on here. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we got a body clip here in the front. One here up top. Looks like that goes. Well, you know what? We'll leave the body off, that way we can see what's inside. So we'll take this body off. And that's how the body looks on the inside. Pretty much a Rustler body, what it reminds me of. You got your shocks in the front here. And there's a back view here. Not much going on in the chassis. But that's what you get. We got our brushless VXL system here. New RC smell. Gotta love it. I like the color scheme here on this body. Kind of pops. It was between this one and the green one. So I chose this one because I already have the green Rustler body. So that's how she looks with the body on. Nice purple and orange and yellow color scheme. Pretty cool, guys. And you got the fin here in the back. I gotta say, I'm not used to this body, so it's kind of weird mounting it like that. But this is what you get in the box, guys. You get the transmitter, the car, your bag of goodies, and that's what's in the box. So I'll be doing some run videos and definitely some speed run videos of this one. So stay tuned for that. and we'll see you next time.